How to transfer from BDO to Gcash. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer money from your BDO account to your Gcash account. So first, launch the BDO app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then look for the transfer option in the menu. This is where you can initiate your money transfer. From the transfer options, select to the other local banks and then find and select Gcash. And put the Gcash mobile number you want to send money to and make sure it's correct. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double check all the details to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. Then hit the confirm or submit button to complete the transaction. You may need to enter your one-time password for security. Then, after the transfer is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. And don't forget to save the transaction receipt for your records. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from BDO to Gcash. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.